Hello bacha party, how are you all, and welcome to yet another धमाकेदार फर्राटेदार and मजेदार session by Vedantu Young Wonders. With me, that is your host, your dost, and a proud master teacher from Vedantu, Pritesh Joshi. So welcome to this session, guys, and today we are learning about a very important topic, that is cell structure and function, a chapter which you learn in grade 8, which you learn in grade 9, which you learn in grade 10, which you learn in grade 11, which you learn in grade 12. And today I'm going to tell you very important facts also about the human cell, which are not in your textbook, right? So guys, welcome to this session. How are you all? A very good evening. And I know a lot of things are going around. I know that you guys are having your exams. I also know that the CM of Punjab has changed recently. I also know that today it has rained a lot in Bangalore, and I also know that my Monday was not at all expected as a Monday. So I'll tell you what happened with me. So let me discuss my Monday with you all today. So basically, I had a watch which was quite expensive, and I had kept it in the cupboard for like some 6 months. It was in the cupboard, and I took it out a few days back, and I saw that it has stopped working. So I thought that, why not just go and give that watch in the, from the shop where I purchased it, and they'll just get it repaired. So I went to the shop. It was very far. It was like some 20 kilometers from my place, and I went and I gave the watch, and then they were like, sir, it will take a month to repair, because so basically it is a solar watch which gets charged by light, and I am not supposed to keep it in the cupboard. I'm supposed to keep it somewhere in the out where it gets light, and because it was in the cupboard since 6 months, so the capacitor had apparently dried out, and now it will take a month for me to get back my watch. Number one. Then it was very sunny when I left, and as I was on my way back, I felt very hungry, so I stopped at a place to have something, and while I'm eating, it starts raining, and it starts raining cats and dogs, and I had not taken my car. I was on my bike, so I could not even leave that place till the rain stops. That took eternity for the rain to stop. Somehow I just came back home, and it was very late by the time I came back home. After I came back home, it was then time for my classes. So I sat down to take my class, and my desktop hanged. So I quickly opened my laptop, and the class had already started, by the way. I quickly opened my laptop to start the class, and in some time the laptop hanged. But by the grace of God, the desktop started working by then, so I could conduct the class on the desktop. Then I take another class, and my timetable shows me it's a class of grade 7, and I start the class, and I realize it is a class of grade 8. And I'm like, wow, what could have been a better Monday? And so the Monday was very eventful. So the things that I learned from this is, you should be prepared for the worst. You should always hope for the best, but prepare for the worst. Always be, they say a stitch in time saves 9. So always be a bit, well prepared, because anything can go wrong. And with that is all about my Monday. I would really like to know how was your Monday. So please let me know in the comment section, how was your Monday, and did your Monday turn out the way you wanted it to be, the way you wanted it to be, or was it eventful like mine? So do let me know, guys. And on that happy and a crazy note, like my crazy Monday, let us begin today's class on cell structure and function. But as always, we begin our class with some positivity, with some positive note. So the positive thing is that strive for progress, not perfection. And this is perfect for me. Strive for progress and not perfection. And you should always work hard so that you progress, so that you go ahead. Don't run behind being the perfect, because you can never make everybody happy. In the effort of trying to make everyone happy, someone will be left unhappy. And second thing is that you yourself will become unhappy. So never ever run behind making everyone happy. Never ever run behind in pleasing people. Please yourself, everyone else will automatically get pleased. So strive for progress, not for perfection, right? On that note, guys, let me also tell you that this is the result of the riddle. So every session we have a riddle at the end. Stay tuned. Today also we have a riddle, and we randomly pick up 5 answers from the comment section. And today today there are two questions for you. One is how was your Monday? Was it as eventful as mine? And second is that the riddle. So the riddle will come at the end of the class. So these are the answers to the results. Simran, thank you so much. BTS Army, imagining a heart from you. There you get my heart. Always with you. We also have got Aditya Tiwari, Kya Baat Hai Tumhari, Prakash and Kamal. Right? So let us begin learning about the cell. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram. We are at 1800 plus. Come on, let us make it 2000 yaar. Insta pe follow kar lo. ठीक है? Hi Abran Sorkar, I will be taking your names. Don't worry about it. Right? I'll be taking all the names. And do not forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Because for me, like if you ask me few months back, YouTube session was an academic session. It was a session where I need to teach. But nowadays I look forward to a YouTube session because I've started talking to you people so, like so comfortably. Earlier also I was no doubt comfortable, but nowadays, our topics have gone very personal. So I feel a much stronger personal connect with you. But I look forward, it's like, writing a diary. At the end of the day, you write a diary and you tell whatever has happened in the day. That is my YouTube session. I wait for 9 o'clock on Monday, Wednesdays and Fridays where I can meet and talk to you guys. Guys, ye sab kuch hua. Right? So guys, give this video a big fat thumbs up. Do let me know in the comment section how do you find the session and how was your Monday for sure. And also guys, subscribe to Vedantu Young Wonders, is absolutely free. Also, we have an amazing deal for you for Olympiads. So if you don't want to miss out on that deal. So guys, Olympiads is like dhamakedar for Ratedar and Mazdar exam. And I'm sure you guys can crack Olympiads when Vedantu is with you. So do enroll for the Vedantu Olympiad classes and the code is same. Bro. It's PRPRO, which will give you an additional discount. And you're just paying rupees 2,700 for all the Olympiads. 2,700 for all the Olympiads. So go and enroll now. Just go to vedantu.com/VOS Courses and you'll be able to enroll for Olympiads. Don't worry, I'll be giving you all the information. And guys, do not forget to share this wonderful video with your friends and school WhatsApp groups. Chalo. Now, cell structure and function, number, shape and size of cell. Till date, we have only learned about two types of organisms. Unicellular like amoeba, paramecium, like chlamydomonas, like volvox, like euglena. But there is also something called as few-celled organism. Yes. And you will be very, very happy to learn that in grade 9. And there is one more type of organisms which are called as few-celled organism. Few-celled organism. And here you have the example of Spirogyra. So these are the organisms that are just made of a few hundred cells. Few hundreds or few thousands. You know that unicellular organisms are just made up of a single cell. अच्छा यहाँ पे तो गड़बड़ हो गई है, ये इधर जाएगा और ये इधर जाएगा. There is a gadbad in the pictures, guys. Ignore the pictures. So unicellular organisms like bacteria, paramecium, amoeba, their entire body is made up of just one cell. All the functions of their bodies, eating, like uploading, downloading, respiring, recreation, reproduction, everything happens by that just single cell. Whereas in multicellular organisms, there are millions and trillions of cells. Every cell is grouped for a function. Like in school we have these many students in red house, these many students in yellow house, these many students in green house, these many students in blue house. Quickly tell me in what house were you? Tell me in what house were you in school? आप कौन से house में हो? I was till grade 7 I was in violet house. Yes, my school was that unique school which had a violet house also. Instead of yellow we had violet house. And then in grade 8, 9, 10th I was in green house. आप कौन से house में थे? So I was in green and violet, and then for 1 year I was in red also. So in my school we called it violet house. Then when I was in red house it was called the Tilak house, Tilak after Lokmanya Tilak. And in other school when I was, it was just called green house. So I was in green, in violet and in red. Oh, okay. Quite oh, Gryffindor, that's unique. The Harry Potter fans I've got in the class. Nice, amazing. So that is about the unicellular and multicellular organisms. So as I was saying that in multicellular organisms इतने सारे बच्चे हैं कि उनको हमने divide कर दिया है. that all these cells you will do respiration, all these cells you will do excretion, all these cells you will do digestion, all these cells you will do like reproduction, all these cells you will do the nervous system ka control. So we have divided because itne sare hai na, divide the work. When you divide the work happens efficiently. Like I tell you, I'll ask you a question. If one person is, please listen to me carefully, if one person is able to do a task in 1 minute, how much time will it take for two people to do the same task? If one person is doing a task in 1 minute, how much time will it take for two people to do the same task? Quick. Hi, Naman Maharshi. Okay, 1 minute. Very good. Sanjay, Parvinder, Mridul, and all those who have told 30 seconds. It is half a minute. If one person is doing a task in 1 minute, the same task can be completed by two people in just half a minute. Same happens in your body. There are so many tasks to be done. Respiration करना है, excretion करना है, nutrition करना है, reproduction करना है, and then nervous system coordinate करना है. So इतने सारे cells है ना, divide. So many cells do this, 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 and आराम से काम अच्छे से efficiently हो जाएगा. And that is why a particular type of cells are grouped together to make tissues, tissues grouped together to make organ grouped together to make organ system, and all the organ systems together make you, and you are the best. Right? Chalo. On that happy note, let's move ahead, and we have got amoeba. So amoeba is a single cell organism and it does everything on its own. And similarly, you have got multicellular organisms where different cells, different tissues, different organs, different organ systems perform different functions. Correct? Now, the shape of a cell. So cells are of different shapes. You have got RBC, which are spherical in shape. They are biconcave shape. Muscles are spindle shape. Neurons are long branch shape. Do you know that neuron is the longest cell of the human body? Neuron is the longest cell of the human body. The male sperm cell is the smallest cell of the human body, and the female ovum cell is the largest cell of the human body. Right? The female ovum is the largest cell of the human body. Cells are of so many different shapes, and when I'm talking about a cell, there are three main parts of the cell. I have got the nucleus, which is the largest and most easily visible. Whenever you're seeing a nucleus, whenever you're seeing a cell under a microscope, the first thing that you'll spot is the nucleus because it is the largest and the most easily visible. And I call also my nucleus as the brain of the cell. Then I've got my cytoplasm, which is known as the chemical wealth. The word cytos means cell, and the word plasma means liquid. It is the liquid jelly-like part of the cell. And then comes my cell membrane, which is the gatekeeper. इसको क्रॉस करने के लिए पास की जरूरत है. आपके पास VIP पास है, वेदांतु इंप्रूवमेंट प्रॉमिस पास है, तो you can enter the cell membrane. This requires a gate pass, right? Because it is the gatekeeper. Correct? So these, yes Anshika, yes Jia, I am very much left-handed. ठीक है? So next we move ahead. We talk about the animal cell and the plant cell. So the animal cell has a cell membrane. The plant cell has one more membrane outside the cell membrane, and that is called as the cell wall. The animal cell is a bit roundish and the plant cell is a bit squarish. Right? So that is the difference between a plant cell and animal cell. You can just have it just a brief look. ठीक है? I will tell you Goat Galaxy, I will tell you why cell membrane is called the gatekeeper, but not today. Hey Yuvraj, hello, hi, how are you? Now these are the different cells and their sizes. So the smallest human cell is the male sperm cell. The largest human cell is the female ovum cell. The longest human cell is the male nerve cell. The largest single cell that you can see it with naked eye in aankhon se through these eyes are the chicken egg, and the ostrich egg. Ostrich egg is the largest single cell that you can see with naked eye. Ostrich egg, ostrich kanda, which people eat. It is the largest cell which you can see it with naked eyes. Have any one of you seen an ostrich? Have any one of you seen an ostrich? Have any one of you seen an ostrich ever? Have any one of you seen an ostrich ever? Quickly tell me. Hi, Harleen. Yes, no, no, yes, yes, yes. Please go and see. It's a beautiful animal. It's a beautiful, beautiful animal. It is a bird, I know, but birds also fall under animal kingdom. It's a beautiful bird which cannot fly, but it can run really fast. It's the fastest bird and it's huge. It's pretty huge. It can scare you. So, you know, ostrich are someone that attack people. Yes, ostrich do attack people. So, but it's an amazing bird. Yeah, and the egg is pretty huge, right? Chalo. Now, as I told you, you are not someone, I don't think you are someone who will miss the golden opportunity to learn with Vedantu for Olympiads, because you know that Olympiads are one of the best exams in the world because they train you so much. They give you so much more than just academics. They they are national level, international level exams and you get so much of exposure here. I'm someone who always tells people that don't spend on assets, spend on experiences, because experiences give you knowledge. And if you take the exam of an Olympiad, even if you don't clear it, which I'm sure you won't be someone who cannot clear an Olympiad because Vedantu is with you, you will definitely clear. But even if you don't clear an Olympiad, the experience. Like I remember when I was in grade 7, I had taken an asset exam. So I remember that time it was called an asset exam. And if we give that exam, we would get this ATM card sort of a thing. And that excited me so much that, wow, I want to have that card of my own. And I still remember taking that exam. I had got a detailed report. What are my strengths? What are my weaknesses? And I still thank my stars that I took the Olympiad exam. So you also do it. Try it. It's really a great experience, right? So you get, you develop your analytical skills, you get logical reasoning, you are able to calculate better, you are able to think better, you are able to solve better, you are able to understand, you are able to take pressure and perform under pressure. It's really super important for holistic development of your intellect, right? And guys, we have got two ways in which we prepare you for Olympiads. One is the wave and one is the live classes for NSO, IMO, UIMO, NSCAC, IOQM, IOM, iOS. All of these, and you get to prepare for all of these Olympiads exam under one roof. And that biggest, smartest, most beautiful roof is Vedantu, right? So guys, at Vedantu, you're just paying rupees 3,000 to get all the Olympiads, especially for mathematics. And for NTSC Head Start, you're also paying rupees 3,000, in which you're getting all the classes for math, science, SST and aptitude. Plus you're getting 10 part tests, 5 full tests, 5 all India mock tests and a lot more, right? So guys, Vedantu has produced results. It's not like हम लोग पहली बार आपके साथ Olympiad कर रहे हैं. We have produced amazing results for Olympiads and we are super proud of it. And I want to see you over here. I want to see your must-sa face over here next year. And I want to talk about you next year that, this was my studo who has cracked the Olympiad. And you're getting it at a very, very cheap cost actually. You're paying rupees just 2,700 if you use the coupon code PRPRO. Use PRPRO and you're just paying rupees 2,700 for all exams. Right? Chalo. So guys, you just need to you just need to use PRPRO and remember the link is vedantu.com/VOS. Okay, I'll write it in a different color. Yeah, it is VOS Courses. VOS Courses /VOS Courses. Okay? Chalo. So moving on, time for the Menti. So just go to Menti ho jao, Senti, www.menti.com and use the code 688-18606. आ गया Menti Mukta, आ गया Menti. That's great, Gaurav. So proud of you. Thank you, Anshika. Thank you so much. Hi, Aditi Singh. So basically, Harakanta, the way they take ostrich egg is they distract the ostrich by rolling an artificial egg in front of the ostrich. So the ostrich thinks that it is his egg. So the ostrich runs behind it and then they take away the egg. Great, Brinda, how was it? I hope you have made yourself, us and everybody else super proud. Yes, Afreen, cell wall is freely permeable and membrane is selectively permeable. ठीक है. Hello Aditi Singh, Joy Smita Bishwas, Kimana Chen. Okay, the code is 688188606. Code in the chat. Okay. Yeah, so the code is come. It's 688188606. Okay, Rutva, that's news. Thank you so much for telling me. Yeah, it's not started yet. Come on, quickly. Harry Potter quiz चाहिए आप लोगों को. Sana ma'am का birthday है. Wishing Sana ma'am a very, very happy birthday. She is such an amazing person. Yes, Dheeraj, I do teach long-term batches also. Kannada ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗೊತ್ತು ಆರ್ಯ. Kannada ಬರುತ್ತೇನೆ. You're from Dubai, Ashish. Wow, I'm really crazy to go to that place and I am looking forward to visit it very, very soon. मैं एकदम बढ़िया हूँ. किशन, आप कैसे हो? ठीक है. Science exam on Wednesday, that is 29th, next Wednesday. All the very best, Charvi. Make me proud. Hi, Abhinav. Thank you, Brinda. Thank you. हेलो प्रतीक्षा. प्रियंका, स्टार्ट करें. चलो, लेट मी सी पहले आप में से कितनों ने ज्वाइन किया है. ओ वाह वाह वाह, क्या बात है. 170. हाँ, क्या बात है. चलो, यस यू आर राइट ललिता. अमेजिंग. चलो, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द मेंटी. 180 स्टूडेंट्स आ चुके हैं. मेंटी हो जाए सेंटी एंड आई एम हैविंग अमेजिंग 6 क्वेश्चंस फॉर यू इन द मेंटी टुडे. चलो, सो आई विल स्टैंड अप. मतलब यार आप लोग इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हो, मैं भी थोड़ी सी मेहनत कर लूं. आई विल स्टैंड अप, राइट. चलो, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट द मेंटी and I've got some amazing 6 questions for you, super easy ones. Tissues combine to form dash. A tissue will combine to form a nucleus, cell, organism or organ. I know that cells combine to form tissues combine to form dash combines to form dash combines to form dash. Come on. Hello Cindy, how are you Cindy? Hello everybody. Your Monday was marvelous. I am so happy for you. So happy. See, even though my Monday was not good, but my night is really going amazing with you guys. So thank you, love you all so much. Even though my Monday was not good, my night is very good. So 117 of you are correct that the answer is organs. Yes. So cells make tissue make organs make organ systems make organisms make Vedantu young wonders. Yes. Chalo. So I am your friend and I am also your very, very good friend. Thank you so much, friend. And we have got Abran, Deepti Patel. Hey Deepti, Kem Cho, Jambanu Thai Gyu. Hi Charvi, Jia, Daima. Okay, I had a friend whose surname was Daima. Zlatan, Millie, Tharani, Afreen and Brinda from the chat, you are here in the leaderboard. That's amazing. So we have got 3 fastest. That's a very big tie apple pie. And let us do some foo with question number 2. नहीं जमाना, कोई बात नहीं. चलो next one जमेगा. चलो, question number 2. The cells present in an organism differ in, cells will be different in their number, shape, size or all of these. How will cells be different? How will cells be different? Okay, Veera, I'll call you Veera in short. So the one who is asking me to write with right hand. So actually when I was in grade 9, my left hand got fractured while playing and I had to skip my exams because I could not write with my right hand. I can write, but it will be like ant is dipped in ink and just left on paper. So it is so bad. So 189 of you are correct. That's amazing that the cells present in a living organism differ in their number, shape, size. So on the superboard with the superstars, I have got Charvi, Jia, Tharani, Arav, Astha, Brinda, Niharika, you're a spy, huh? Sanika, Twisha and Mridul. Arav, you are the fastest leading the leaderboard. I have a tie apple pie between Charvi, Astha and also between Brinda and Jia. And I'll try to write something in with my right hand. So what should I write with my right hand? Jaldi bolo. Kya likhu right hand se? Tell me what to write. Tell me one word. Tell me one word that I can write with right hand. Jaldi, 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 quick, 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 quick. Your name. Wow, nice. Okay. Okay, I'll write Vedantu. Amazing. Chalo. So, VEDANTU. Vedantu. Nice. Chalo. आगे बढ़े. Question number 3 absolutely free on my and your screens now. So, question number 3 absolutely free. A group of similar cells combine to form dash. Cell combine to form tissue, organ, organisms or organelles. What do cells combine to form? Tissues, organ, organisms or organelles. What are organelles? Organelles are part of the cell. Organelles are part of the cell. Like mitochondria, like ribosomes, like plastids, and they are surrounded by a membrane. Organelles are surrounded by a membrane. ठीक है? चलो quick Harry Potter quiz definitely यार पहले I am planning to rewatch all the Harry Potter movies back to back. Chalo, tissue is absolutely the correct answer. And on the super board with the superstars I have got Arav, Tharani, Astha, Charvi, Sanika, Brinda, Mridul, Niharika, Shri and Aditya Kumar. Astha, Brinda, Niharika, क्या बात है आज तो मतलब चक दे फट्टे बल्ले बल्ले. Right? So Tharani and Astha, you are the fastest, and Mridul and Aditya, you are the fastest. Tharani and Astha, you have a tie. See, I'm telling you something is wrong today. Tharani and Astha, you are having a tie, and Mridul and Aditya, even you guys are having a tie. We have Astha, Brinda, Niharika, who are the fastest, and Arav is leading the leaderboard. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. चलो. Question number 4. Fantastic 4 question on your screen. Now, single cell organisms are called amoeba, they are called paramecium, they are called euglena, they are called chlamydomonas, they are called Yes, Anshika, thank you so much for asking. He is all hale and hearty. What do you call single cell organisms? It's super easy peasy lemon squeezy. 237 students are answering. Why not 250? Why not 350? Why not 1050? Chalo, jaldi, quick, very quick. Okay, 224 students are absolutely correct. It is unicellular. And I've already given you the examples and I am dying to see the superboard with the superstars. Wow. So Arav, Astha, Tharani, Charvi, Brinda, Niharika, Shri, Naman, Maharshi, Jaival, Mehta and Vijita. Hi Naman and Jaival, you both are the fastest, bro, amazing, bro, you rock, bro, amazing. And Astha and Brinda are also the fastest. We have got 4 fastest in today's class. This chapter is very, very clear to all of you. That's amazing. Astha, you are leading the leaderboard with 2 points. There's a cutthroat competition and tie apple pie between Shri and Naman. Chalo, आगे बढ़े. The famous 5 question. The famous 5 question on your screen now. Chalo. The basic structural and functional unit of all living organisms is dash. All the living organisms are made up of dash. All the living organisms are made up of dash. Cell, cell wall, cell membrane, chloroplast. Easy peasy Japanesey. बताओ, मुझे बताओ. Chalo. I think Charvi 2 more parts. I think 2 more parts. Very good. Cell is the correct answer. All living organisms are made up of cells. And on the superboard with the superstars, I've got Astha, Arav, Tharani, Brinda, Charvi, Niharika, Naman, Shri, Jaival and Vijita Bhaumik. On the fastest, only Brinda. Astha, you're leading the leaderboard with just 1 point. मतलब 1 point से आप आगे हो. That's a very, very cutthroat competition. We have a tie between Charvi and Tharani. So the leaderboard is going quite competitive. one last question is going to decide the fate of this quiz. Dun 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 dun. You know वो background music. So देवी और सज्जनों, अगला प्रश्न आपके स्क्रीन पर आने जा रहा है और वो प्रश्न है प्रश्न नंबर 6। 0 रुपए लेकिन कई सारी तालियों के लिए ये है प्रश्न नंबर 6 आपके स्क्रीन पर अब। ध्यान से जवाब दीजिएगा। कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ सेल यानी कि सेल ऑर्गेनल्स किसमें एनक्लोज्ड होते हैं? एक मेम्ब्रेन में, एक एनवलप में, एक टिश्यू में, या नन ऑफ दीज में? सेल के ऑर्गेनल्स यानी कि सेल के कंपोनेंट्स जैसे कि माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, जैसे कि राइबोसोम्स, जैसे कि प्लास्टिड्स, जैसे कि न्यूक्लियस, ये किस में एनक्लोज्ड होते हैं? जवाब दीजिएगा जल्दी, और समय समाप्त होने वाला है। आपके पास है केवल 3 सेकंड, केवल 2, केवल 1 और समय समाप्त। 174% जनता ने जवाब दिया है ए यानी कि सेल मेम्ब्रेन या मेम्ब्रेन। 18 लोगों ने जवाब दिया है एनवलप, 26 लोगों ने जवाब दिया है टिश्यू और 13 लोगों ने जवाब दिया है नन ऑफ दीज, यानी कि इनमें से कोई भी नहीं। सही जवाब आप सब देख सकते हैं अपने स्क्रीन पर, जो है मेम्ब्रेन। और देखते हैं आज के सुपर बोर्ड के सुपरस्टार्स का नाम और आज के क्विज के विजेता का नाम भी। तो आस्था, ब्रिंडा, चारवी, थरानी, नमन, निहारिका, श्री, जयवल, सानिका एंड टॉपर अमन। टॉपर अमन है फास्टेस्ट और आस्था बंसल। आस्था जी बहुत ही उम्दा खेली हैं आपने आज हमारा सर गौरव से ऊंचा कर दिया है। बहुत बढ़िया आस्था जी, आपको आपकी विजय की ढेर सारी बधाइयां, बहुत बहुत बधाई, बहुत बधाई। वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। ठीक है, तो अब इसके साथ हम आगे बढ़ते हैं और देखते हैं आज का रिडल क्वेश्चन। तो आज आप लोगों के लिए जो आपको गुत्थी है, जो सुलझानी है, वो है कि आई एम नॉट रियली मोर देन होल्स टाइड टू मोर होल्स, आई एम स्ट्रॉन्ग एज गुड स्टील दो नॉट एज स्टिफ एज अ पोल। What is this? What is the answer to this riddle? That I am not really more than holes tied to more holes. I am strong as good steel, though not as stiff as pole. तो ये रिडल का जो जवाब है ये आप देंगे कमेंट सेक्शन में, और कमेंट सेक्शन में आप हमें ये भी बताएंगे कि क्या आपके सोमवार ने आप पर कोई वार किए, right? So tell me like how was your Monday? My Monday was quite eventful, but my Monday night was amazing. Thank you to all of you. So guys, give this video a big fat thumbs up. एक thumbs up तो बनता है यार, मतलब thumbs up पियो मत, but thumbs up वीडियो को दे दो, right? So do subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends and school and subscribe to Vedantu Young Wonders. It's absolutely free. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll be coming to see you again on Wednesday evening. Until we meet next, take care of yourself, stay healthy, stay happy, stay blessed, have a great time. God bless all of you. Thank you so much for watching. Ta-da! Good night.